Hey, do you ever freeze when someone says, "How's it going?" or "Nice weather, huh?" and you have no idea what to say? You're not alone. Small talk can feel awkward, even for native speakers. But today, I'm going to give you the ultimate small talk masterclass. You'll learn exactly what to say, how to sound natural, and how to keep a conversation going, even if you're shy or new to English. Welcome to English with Peter Allen, where I help you speak confidently, fluently, and naturally in English. If that's your goal, you're in the right place. Small talk is casual conversation. It's how strangers become friends. It helps you connect, feel comfortable, and build trust. In English speaking cultures, small talk isn't just polite, it's expected. Silence can feel uncomfortable, so learning small talk isn't just about English, it's about fitting in. We use small talk in job interviews, at work, with neighbors, at cafes, elevators, parties, and on Zoom. Let's break it down with my golden formula. I call it the great formula. Great, react, expand, ask, transition. Let me show you how this works in a simple example, like at a cafe. Hey, how's your day going? Pretty good. Just taking a break. You? Same here. I love this place. Have you been here before? Yeah, their coffee is amazing. Totally. I came here when I need to focus. Are you working on something? You see? Great. Hey, how's your day going? React. Pretty good. Expand. I love this place. Ask. Have you been here before? Transition. Are you working on something? You can see this everywhere. Let's talk about topics. Here are 5 safe and simple small talk topics you can use today. The weather, for example, beautiful day, isn't it? Or can you believe this rain? Work or study, for example, busy day at work? Or what are you studying? The third one is weekends. You can say, do anything fun this weekend? Or got any plans for the weekend? Food and drinks. For example, that smells amazing. What did you get? Or is the latte good here? Hobbies or interests. You can say, have you seen any good movies lately? Or are you into music? These questions are open ended. That means they start a conversation, not end it. By the way, if you're interested in sounding more confident when you speak, make sure to watch my video called How to Sound More Confident in English. I'll link it at the end and you can find the card above here. Now, let's make sure you don't fall into these common traps. The first one word answers. If someone says, "How was your weekend?" and you say, "Fine," that kills the conversation. Instead, you can say, "Pretty good. Actually, I went hiking. What about you?" Number two, too personal too soon. Don't ask, "Are you married?" or How much do you make? Keep it light and friendly. Number three, forgetting to ask back. Don't just talk about yourself. Always return the question. Now, let's practice. I'll say a line and you respond. Ready? Hey, how's it going? Nice day today, huh? Do anything exciting this weekend? Great. Now let's do a quick role play. Hi there, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. Thanks. I like your laptop sticker. Are you into travel? Yeah, I love visiting new places. Just came back from Bali. That's awesome. I always wanted to go. What was the best part? You can do this too. It just takes practice and confidence. Here's how to get even better at small talk. Watch English shows and copy the dialects. Practice with friends or language partners. Repeat this video until it feels natural. Remember, small talk is a skill, not a talent. The more you practice, the easier it gets. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn English with Peter Allen for more fluency tips every week. Want to go further? Watch Speak English Fluently in 2025, my top tips for sounding natural this year and beyond. Or check out how to sound more confident in English. Both videos are waiting for you right here. See you in the next video. You've got this.